Hello, Abshani. My name is ElseeGweja, and I want to welcome you all to this special edition of Lathela with Mathilda Chauke right here on Mungana Lunene FM. So what's about to happen is I'ma just jump in, perform a few tracks for you, my favorite songs. Hopefully they'll be your favorites after this. So just grab a glass of wine, grab a coffee, grab a tea, grab a drink, grab a cold drink, because it's about to get lit. Hope you're gonna enjoy. Just stick around, stay tuned. My name is Elsee. So the first one I'm gonna perform is a heartbreak song. It's called Chico, meaning what is it? And it goes like
Sure.
It's Elsee the Beat God.
Nenda toti masports ndapedza pandaka kurora msikana wangu ndachoti ndazvipedza ndisingazive kuti pane aikuredza kunge hova chikuredza kusvika watyira baby psycho usina matyira chiko chandakakutanzira kusvika pakufuratira miko dzese dzawakanditsidzira asi chikosha kundinyengedza nemanyepo iwe usha ndaifunga tichava tese kusvika tafasha uchindinyengedza nemanyepo iwe usha.
So this next one is called Kusika Zvanaka, which means until it's all good. It features my brother Rhymer from Nigeria.
ElseeGweja, no Rhymer.
Every time I see your face, girl, I just wanna confess. Tell you how I feel about you. My one calls on your come face, but he doesn't treat you right. He doesn't treat you well. He doesn't know you are beautiful. Let me show you love that is colorful. Cause I see you every day. I'm trying to talk to you. Cause I'm feeling you. Oh baby, don't you know that girl, I be loving you. Kusika Zvanaka. Still I go follow you. Kusika Zvanaka. Do anything for you. Kusika Zvanaka. Oh, kusika wandi down. Kusika Zvanaka.
You know that I try, but no one is perfect. I know I did you wrong, which I could turn back time. I tore your heart apart. I know I can't deny it. I wanna be your man. Forgive me once again. My love for me, my love for me, chérie. Baby, what you mean? My love for me, my love for me, chérie. Baby, me, I love you.
I be loving you. Kusika Zvanaka. Still I go follow you. Kusika Zvanaka. Do anything for you. Kusika Zvanaka. Oh, kusika wandi down. Kusika Zvanaka.
Well, this one is called One More Time. It's a love song. You know when you're longing to see someone, you just wish you see them just one more time? This is the song.
It's Elsee the Beat God.
The way you love me, girl, I know they complain. Wakachena se musara sara, you go be my protein. Nigga love uke mufiri Baby, I know fi explain. Sure you know say I feel you. Now the love I dey give you. Oh, one more time. One more time. I need you close to me. Close to me. Baby, one more time. I need you next to me. Next to me. Yeah, when I look in your eyes, you get me drunk, girl, I feel so high. High. You wanna go to Paris or Dubai? Or maybe wanna go to London, tell all your friends goodbye. Cause I've been searching till you came to my life. And if you leave me, girl, I know go fit to survive. That's why I keep you close, keep rolling, don't press pause. I want you in my life until the day that I die. One more time, one more time. I need you close to me, close to me. Baby, one more time. I need you next to me, next to me. Yeah. Say you be sweet Mona Lisa, African girl mamacita. Now so you be fire for the Insta. Now real life you be ginger. Ginger me, oh eh. Money dey for hand, make it throw away. Ginger me, oh eh. I like what you do with your low way. Ginger me, oh eh. Money dey for hand, make it throw away. Ginger me, oh eh. I like what you do with your low way. Love me, girl, I know they complain.
So this next song is called Paprika. And I know some of you just sitting there wondering, why would one sing about paprika? Well, just listen to the song. Features my brother Pop 10 from Zimbabwe. Hope you're gonna enjoy the song, Paprika.
Yet boy. Well, I know. We are connected.
One danger winner. See, I go stand some muchinda. You be the one where I fight for, the one I go die for. But you know that you so chago. The one that been one nigga chando. Nigga skin tight, get you. Me gonna turn around, show me more. Say I no go ever let you go. So baby, listen to me well. Baby, girl, you hottest in Africa. Make I call you my paprika. I go run your race na kilometer. Nekutindi weka waita. I go fly you to America. Inine weka paprika. Make I run your race na kilometer. Nekutindi weka waita.
Inosero gaya kuti iwe nenitika fire. Totwaga mawaya tine moja yedu ye kuhaya. You want me lady yo, me and your man you know. Huya titorwe ma photo. Baby wangu usi hoto. Dai kuja emira mokoto. Uchindi seka kuti ngoto. Yeah, my baby, yeah. My baby, yeah. Kauna cha uno dande no kupa. Wondi chinja zitanda wachakupa.
Baby girl, you hottest in Africa. Make I call you my paprika. I go run your race na kilometer. Nekutindi weka waita. I go fly you to America. Inine weka paprika. Make I run your race na kilometer. Nekutindi weka waita. Imofie mukono, ay. Chitova chiera di koko, ay. Sata mopika nizondo, ay. Magweja towa inisa hoto, ay. Imofie mukono, ay. Chitova chiera di koko, ay. Sata mopika nizondo, ay. Sepa topinda mu winter, baby, winter. Say you know I be the eater.
So I've just decided, let's take it up a notch. The next song is called Bamba Mkuru. Bamba Mkuru talks about the big boys, you know, you want a bamba, yeah, that kind of vibe. Features my brother Knox from Zimbabwe. Yeah, so just listen to the song, Bamba Mkuru.
Bamba Mkuru,
It's Elsie the beat guy.
Bamba Mkuru. I need a sugar daddy, singing on tapira. To my baby toka naga bandiri ndipo patutambira. Saka pese panda tsika, panosiva pasvikwa nemunhu mukuru. Kana mababy anostika, vanondidedza vachiti chibamba mkuru. So baby walangolo, go nini golo. Ramba uchitamba pa dance floor. Go nini golo. Iri mugweja, marindo peja. Go nini golo. Chuzana unuda ganoro. Go nini golo. Pana pise pana tsiga. Bamba mkuru. Hanzi ndimi munoyita. Bamba mkuru. Ndimi mune yese. Bamba mkuru. Magaiba. Bamba mkuru. Chino zimutsa mureza. Bamba mkuru. Ono shinja nochisesa. Bamba mkuru. Chino pisa ongezesa. Bamba mkuru. Magaiba. Bamba mkuru.
Maita wana madoko, amudione vutikoko. Tenge boys rezimoko, nini diwane mamoko. Lasbo kasara ikoko, kuneti mulino tipiza ikoko. Saga andidije ikoko, pika na ise chipera ikoko. Deke matara kuno, akusiko ma six pack ma feve kuno. Mapisare mandini, anofira pira utino wachona ndini. Dino zemirira inini, apana anodikwatiza inini. Dini bamba mkuru, paka pese panda ziga.
Bamba mkuru, hanzi ndimi munoyita. Bamba mkuru, ndimi mune yese. Bamba mkuru, magaiba.
So while we're still on that party vibe, let's just take it back to the dance floor and do some dance hall. The next song is called Fullness. It's all about the energy, man.
Hey, yo, juice at the mentor. But you know else is my name. Fullness. Genesi fullness pattern. Juice around and akapasa. Dipe kunongomera kundoripasa. Chisuga toto chimanya vasitata. Ona kununda kukandi kwa matasa. Gweja chimuti ndatofuta. Nangoya pano sokufita skamakuta. Andite mbiri inopira sechihuta. Ngomara naka chimbotuta. Baya vana suro. Ndoba putisira kuro bauta. Pachisina ya vonzipo. Teke ndoba taka kumbo. Tutoramba nakavasona vachasisi vatositana kumakumo. Yangu parisiro. Gweja nemangoma ndicharira svika ndafa. Ndotambira pamusoro kunge kafa. Gafa. Ndafa. Kana skirire kumanyere katangire kuno. Ona tuzimoko takutotambisa juno. Bauze tuda my baby and stamina muno. Shukungari from the nazi tangita juno. Magweja go find you slogani.
So this next one is called Sweet Poison. There's sweet and toxic at the same time, so you don't know what to do. Well, just listen to the song, Sweet Poison.
It's Elsie the beat guy.
Jina langu ni Elsie. Haki ya Mungu kinipa, siwezi kukuacha. Nikiwa nawe na disa, yani mpaka na data. Wewe kwangu ni lotion. Tupo really so potion. Baby, si unajua mwenyewe. Mimi nakuzimia nielewe. Oh my baby, oh. Make a taste of your portion. Stick on you just like a lotion. Say what what you want, just mention. I go they call you my sweetie poison. Kana tichingeta vumirana. Say we go do all the things we go make you my baby mama. No darling, baby and defend a gundi gonna. I no go force it, to tangata with it now. Cause you too much, my baby, oh. Make her turn up the radio. I know they lie, and then when the good thing gonna make her taste you.
Okay, so last but not least, this next song is called Ndiwe, which means it's you. Probably in my top 3. Hope you're gonna enjoy the song. Ndiwe.
Wanna see you smiling, darling. For you I can do whatever it takes to put a smile on your face. Let me cook for you, relax. You know that I will say yeah, you they make me happy. Nobody go fi show me the love, oh. When you they give me, it too sweet like potato. Like potato. Kondangani chirunga muchato, chungu te kurona jinato. Girl, you be my eminato. I don't wanna see you crying, I just wanna see you smiling, darling. For you I can do whatever it takes to put a smile on your face. Let me cook for you, relax. You know that will see you. Yeah, you they make me
Hey yo, I just want to say thank you to Mungana Lunene FM for allowing me to share a piece of me with you guys. Big shout out to you guys for tuning in to this special episode of Lathela right here on Mungana Lunene FM with my sister Mathilda Chauke. See you next time, guys. Peace out. My name is ElseeGweja.